Here we have a 69 plate 2020 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK EcoBlue. Now this vehicle comes with 20-inch hard black Rhino alloy wheels, all of them unmarked and in excellent condition. We also have the black paintwork, the front lower nudge bar, along with the Raptor style front grille. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the wide arch kit. We also have the side steps along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows with privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the wind deflectors and the black roof rails up top. Coming around to the rear, you'll find the SCZ load bay cover. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We have the tow bar at the bottom, and this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Coming around, let's take a look at the interior. Taking a look at the back first. So in here we have a half leather interior with the orange stitching. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO punch just at the bottom. In the centre you'll find a plug socket along with a 12-volt connectivity. We have some storage behind the front seats, brushed metal handles on the doors along with the electric windows. Coming inside of the front, we have the same half leather interior with the orange stitching. These front seats are electrically adjustable and they are also heated. Again, we have the brushed metal handles along with the electric windows with child lock for the rear. We also have the power folding electric mirrors just there, the auto lights. We have a multifunctional steering wheel just here. If we take a seat inside, put our foot on the brake and press the start button, the car will start up for us. And as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. So moving over into the centre console, you'll find the infotainment screen, which has the likes of sat-nav just here. We also have a range of audio and media, so if we click on to sources, here you'll find AM, FM and DAB radio. We also have the CD and Bluetooth audio. We also have the climate control. We have the phone connectivity just here. If we go into settings, you'll see all of these different options just here. Scroll across and you find the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Scroll again and you find the ambient lighting, where you can pick whichever colour you think looks best. You can also change the brightness of it. Moving further down, you'll find the climate control yet again. We also have some storage space just down here with two USB ports down there. We also have the two 12-volt connectivities either side. We have some buttons along here, such as the auto start button, the traction control button, the rear differential lock button and the hill descent control. We also have the 2-wheel or 4-wheel drive high and low settings, the gear stick just here. We have the handbrake, two good sized cup holders and the nice leather armrest which can be opened up for extra storage, just like so. But that is everything I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 2-litre EcoBoost. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not at 5-wheel steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. Just go straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we can activate the lane keeper assist by pressing the button on the indicator start now. So now it is activated and gives you two green lines on each vehicle in front of me. And turn it off, it also gives you a little notification saying it's been turned off. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel where you can also find your cruise control and speed limiter. Activate the cruise control, top left hand corner. Then you can press set plus and minus to go through and find your selected speed. Now at the roundabout, take the left as you would if you're test driving this vehicle today. Now on the gear selector, you push. You can also use on the actual gear selector, you have buttons for plus and minus where you can go through the gears. And you can do that so you have your manual gearbox on the automatic. Now pull down, it goes into S, which is more sporty gear changing mode. Screen just in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You can find your Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You have your front and rear parking sensor with your rear reversing camera, which you'll see pop up in a second when I do the emergency stop. Now we do have the full leather seats throughout this vehicle, which are very, very comfortable. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, and you also have a heated front windscreen. Now when the windscreen is all frosted over, click the heated windscreen button and within minutes the whole windscreen will be defrosted. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any knocks or bangs, and if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 400 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. Now if you read through your reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good you are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. So right now, I'm coming to industrial state. We're going to take a right, before the mention stop, pop it straight into reverse, just show that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to, and you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear camera. So emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me in this walk around video and test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.